And another alternate shape you can use anytime instead of a downward facing dog or a chaturanga is puppy pose or melting heart. So just coming into a tabletop position. Knees can be as wide as what feels comfortable, and keeping the hips above the knees, walking the hands, the arms forward, and melting the chest down to the earth. Get a nice soft bend in the elbows. So at any point, if downward dog's feeling too much of an effort or just not feeling nice, you can always come down into melting heart puppy pose.